Hey guys, it's me. I said I was gonna post a video today. Well, here I am playing Slither again. Oh, let's put the same name we put yesterday.
You just put that in my face.
Okay. Well, do you remember what I told you yesterday? To stay away from the big people and try not to die from them. Some food! Here's food. Okay. Well, we got that. So.
Hello? Big dog, you there? Okay, now what do I do?
Well, when you start getting
Hi! Emma, you
bigger,
Now what do I do, Aaron?
just press finish.
What?
Just press finish.
There's no finish button here.
There's always a finish. Well, let's try to take out this big guy. No, stay away. I'm coming for you, you're not coming for me. Oh!
I can't hear a thing.
It worked! It worked! It worked!
Let me show you right now. Show the
Oh man.
Hey, they saw your phone instead.